So you've created a map and you are ready to export it, but you want to make sure that you do it right. Not a problem. In the next 60 seconds, you will never wonder about exporting ever again. Alright, let's do this. Once you have your map, go to UV, export UV layout, and find a spot on your computer to save it. Check all UVs and set it to PNG. Leave fill opacity at 0.25 and decide how big you want the file to be. Now, when saving image files, you always want your dimensions to be a power of 2. I won't explain the technical reasons, but just know that computers work in bytes and bytes work in powers of 2. If you don't save your dimensions in a power of 2, the computer will stretch the image data to round up to the nearest power of 2 anyway. So you have been warned. If you are using the Japanese method like I am, you are going to want to pick the smallest size possible that can still look good. In my personal game that I just released on Steam, most of my files were 128, 256, and the largest was 512. But you are free to use any size or combination of sizes that you want. Just make sure that the length and the width are both a power of 2. After you have selected your size, click Export UV Layout. You're done. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.